Hi everyone, my name is Lumi Gray. I'll be dropping my first video soon on the channel, and the channel is literally gonna be about lifestyle and cryptocurrency. And yeah, I've been dragging this for 5 good years. Yes, you heard me right, 5 years. I've literally had the idea of starting a YouTube channel and all of that, but I procrastinate, and I kind of like I got scared, and felt I might not be able to really create a lot of content. But yeah, I'm here, and I just told myself, oh, let me Gray, why not just create content around things you do on a daily, like things you really like. And that is why I would be uploading some lifestyle videos, and also uploading some crypto related videos. We have just, I think, 1% of the world population that kind of like really into it right now, trading and buying and all of that. And you're never late, you're not late at all if just 1% are into it. So you could come in today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, any other day. But I just tell people just come in as fast as you can, so that you can enjoy what other crypto holders are enjoying right now. And I've gotten a lot of questions, people asking me where they can get some coins, how they can buy and all of that. I use Binance in getting or buying my crypto. Binance is actually literally an exchange where you buy and you can sell your crypto assets. It's very easy to use. They have good user interface. The UI UX is pretty awesome. It's like I said, it's easy to navigate, straight to the point and all of that. They also have a telegram group for each countries, like Binance Nigeria, Binance India, Binance Australia and all of that. So you can check that on Telegram. Just join your community, and you could learn one or two things from the community. And yeah, I'll be uploading my first video on how to use Binance, how to the setup and all of that. And from there I'll also upload some lifestyle videos. I just really want my channel to really entertain my viewers, and not just really talk about just crypto. You get it? So I'm really going to mix both lifestyle and my crypto videos. So and I'm really going to plead to you guys to subscribe to my channel after watching this video. I'll be really grateful. And remember, I literally said I procrastinated for 5 good years. Oh, I didn't say it, I'm so sorry. But then yeah, I procrastinated for 5 years, because I said I was going to start my YouTube channel soon for 5 good years. I had a friend that started Ease, and he's doing well right now. But I just felt, what will I be saying, what will I be doing? And I just realized, let me just start from somewhere. Let me just start and just put my content out there and improve from there. And this is why I'm doing this right now. And I would really would love you guys to subscribe my channel, and hit the bell button, so anytime I post any content you can be notified. And I'm really pleading with you guys. You could share my link, and also share the good news to some of your friends if you really want to learn a lot about cryptocurrency, and also how to use Binance, because I'm literally going to use Binance in all my videos. Thank you so much guys, and peace out.